Are you struggling with hair loss and looking for natural solutions? In this video, we'll explore effective herbal remedies for hair growth, natural hair loss prevention, and the best herbs for hair loss that can help strengthen your hair naturally. Hair loss can be caused by stress, poor diet, hormonal imbalances, or genetics. But don't worry. There are natural products for hair growth and thickness that can help nourish your scalp and promote strong, healthy hair. Here are some of the best herbs for hair loss that can support hair regrowth. Rosemary stimulates the scalp and improves circulation for thicker hair. Aloe vera soothes the scalp and reduces dandruff, creating the perfect environment for growth. Hibiscus, rich in vitamins that strengthen hair roots and prevent thinning. Ginseng boosts hair follicles and encourages regrowth. Saw palmetto helps block dihydrotestosterone, also called DHT, a hormone linked to hair loss. Try this simple herbal hair mask. Mix 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of rosemary oil, and 1 mashed hibiscus flower. Apply to your scalp and let it sit for 30 minutes before rinsing. Repeat this treatment twice a week for the best results. For long-term natural hair loss prevention, make sure to eat a balanced diet rich in protein and vitamins. Reduce stress with relaxation techniques like meditation. Use natural hair oils like coconut or castor oil for deep nourishment. By using these hair growth remedies, you can naturally strengthen your hair and support long-term growth. Be sure to like, share and subscribe for more content. This video is for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you're experiencing severe hair loss, consult a healthcare provider. Visit our website at www.naturefirstremedies.com.